Okay, you hear the music behind me, so we're gonna walk through this little plaza right here, and there's a little coffee shop right here, and then we're gonna go back and check out that music. So just stay tuned. Chiquinha, Chiquinha. Let's go check out the room. Chiquinha. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so what we're going to do is we'll show you what's in here, and then we're going to go to the music. But I'll just kind of give you briefly, there's this little space in here. So there's a little place to kind of sit. And then we're going to go check out that music. But you can definitely see there's places to enjoy. And we have like Soul Cafe, so you can get different foods, french fries, juices, smoothies, and different foods as well. It's beautiful lighting. So this is called the Soul Cafe. The Soul Cafe. This kind of comes out to this main street right here, and we're gonna walk back to where the music is at in a second. This is the post office right here. So this kind of goes out to this main street right here. If you go all the way down, you'll see like you see MGM way down there and Wynn Casino. So those are all the way down there. Casino de Lisboa as well. And then down here is Pont 16. So that'll be a place where people can, oh, there's Haagen-Dazs over there too. Huh. Haagen-Dazs used to be here. So Haagen-Dazs used to be here. Now this is Soul Cafe and Haagen-Dazs is over there now. But yeah, you got this little beautiful plaza. I was gonna walk over there, but I think I'll just keep in this area. So yeah, it looks really beautiful. Yeah, you can sit along the walls everywhere as well. It's kind of cool. There's Haagen-Dazs right there. So Haagen-Dazs used to be the one that was behind me. So this is a little plaza that you can sit, have coffee, you can get snacks at. And then we're gonna have another one over on that side too. Oh, this is kind of interesting right here. Right there. This says 94 days. Macau goes to the Winter Olympic Games. 94 days. Okay. So there's a little kiosk, and there's another little kiosk over here too, so you can get some snacks over this way as well. And it has another little space, you can also get snacks as well. That was a little plaza that we were at, it was right over there. And this little plaza too. So you can get orange juice, beer, juice, wine, all kinds of stuff, and sit in this little area. Yeah, it's real nice. So we're not going to go too far down, but this actually leads all the way down to different spots like the Portuguese consulate, Sao Paulo ruins, lots of little cool side streets everywhere. But this little space is a nice pedestrian street. It wasn't always a pedestrian street, but it is now. And it's has a great feeling when you're here. Great atmosphere kind of feeling, like you feel like you're somewhere that you want to stay. So it's beautiful that you can now sit here and just enjoy. So okay, So I guess what we'll do is we'll kind of slowly walk past our musicians. And that's the little area that we were at. So we're just in this little Seoul little cafe area. There's some signs here too. I guess they call this a gathering at dusk in Senado Square. So I guess that happens to be the one with the music now. And that's the little plaza right there as well. Seoul Cafe. So this ended. This overlooks the post office, so that's the post office right there. So that's that Soda Cafe is below it. That goes all the way down to some of the casinos on the Macau side. And this is a big municipal building. I'm not sure what it is exactly, but then that goes all the way down to the what used to be where the port was at. And then there's like a street where it used to be like hookers and things like that. It's called the Rua de Felicidade, Street of Happiness. So a lot of cool stuff all around this area. It's kind of like the central part of Macau where everything happens. So let's end it right there. Let's go check out the room. Oh, hey guys. 3 things. Like, subscribe, make some comments below. It'll really help out my channel. Alright. Chiquinha.